Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to delete a record from a table in database through SQL command. You have to write this command in SQL. Delete, then from, then the name of the table, and then you have to apply condition. So first delete, then from, then the name of the table, and then you have to apply condition. Where? Then condition. I have already opened XAMPP. My database is college and the table is student. Here I want to delete the number of ID is 6, Hassan Ali. So I just click here, right here, delete, then from, the name of the table is student, then you have to apply condition where ID equal 6. Delete from the name of the table and then condition where ID equal 6. Yes, okay. Now I want to browse it. Here you can see the ID 6 and that record has been deleted. You can also delete by manually. Here I just want to delete here ID 2, click on delete. Okay, you can see the ID number 2 and that record has been successfully deleted. You can also delete like this, select one or multiple and then click on this delete. Yes, here you can see the respective SQL command and now execute this. Yes, you can see that records have been deleted. And be careful, you have to write or apply condition. If you don't apply condition, then if you don't apply the condition, then entire records will be deleted. Here I haven't applied any condition, just copy it. You can see I have some records and now I just write this delete from student. Here I haven't applied any condition and now click on go. Do you really want to execute delete from student? If you click OK, then all the records of that table will be deleted. Here you can see there is no records or rows because everything has been deleted. Thank you everyone.